How to take screenshots on Windows. First, I will teach you how to capture the whole screen. You need to press Windows plus print screen on the keyboard. When you press the buttons, the screen will blink. It represents that the screen is captured. The image will be stored in the Screenshots folder, located in Pictures. Secondly, I will teach you how to capture a part of the screen using Snip and Sketch. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to use it.
Select the area you want to capture. Then, tap on the notification by Snip and Sketch and save your image. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.